My channel. So today we are going to discuss about option selling. Let's get started with the basics. So we have two types: call writing and put writing. Okay, so if open interest is added in call writing, prices will go down. This also acts as resistance. If open interest is added in put writing, then prices will go up and this acts as a support. Okay, so this is the basic thing you have to understand about option writing. We'll start with Nifty. Okay, so this is Nifty's price action for week 3. Okay, let me just keep this up. So important resistance has been hit here. So you could see this is week 1, 2 and 3. Let me just mention that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, fifth day it will have the expiry. So we'll rule out that. Now in the week 3 you could see first it was sideways, uptrend to sideways, and then second day it was completely uptrend. Third day it was uptrend and then bit of profit booking has happened, though the close was very strong, which is above the previous day close. Okay, now I'll check the open. 25,500. Okay, so that is our open ATM, and you could see the support is very strong here. Okay, that means support strong means it is positive decay for OTM and ITM. Okay, and it's a weak resistance and it's a day 3, right? So here you could see day 3, so still decay has time. So negative decay on the ITM and OTM. Okay, so this is for October 3rd week, day 3 for Nifty. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty. Same 1 hour time frame. Bank Nifty also has the same pattern. So here it's a slight difference. Let's draw a line here and let's make that line as our week. Okay, so this is a complete week. If you write down, it's 1, 2 and 3rd day, 4th day and 5th day. So we are concentrated on Friday. Okay, so here is the Friday data. Okay, so you could see after a retracement on Tuesday and then afterwards it was completely trending. Okay, now our focus is on Friday. Okay, so when you check for Friday open, 57,300. We'll move on to Bank Nifty. 57,300 is our open. So Bank Nifty has monthly expiry, so the delta value is completely different. This is our open. Because of strong support, it is positive here. Because of weak resistance, it is negative here. Okay, I'll move on to Midcap Nifty. Normally Midcap Nifty during trending dates, it is a bit clumsy here because it has touched the important resistance and is trying to fall off. Now we'll keep the same Monday to Friday as the day count. So when you take here, let's put the day count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5th day profit booking is happening here. So 13,250. Let's take mid cap here. 13,250. Okay, 13,250 is our open here. So you could see it's negative because of a weak support here and positive because of a very strong resistance. So you could see the difference how support and resistance are acting here. Okay, now unfortunately the trading tick website is still down, so we'll move on to the alternate option, that is Nifty Trader website. We'll begin with Midcap itself, since Midcap charts are open here. So we can see the LTP here. So 250 is the open. So you could see, before that I'll just try to discuss here 18 and 15. So resistance is high. So fall off is from this point is having a point that it can go down. Okay, now when you check for 250 value for OI and put writing, so let's zoom in. Okay, so when you keep the points here, you see it started with 140 and 130 at 920. At end you see 116 and 173. So definitely here when you compare the morning and evening data, it is for long straddle day. Okay, because there is much variation. Now we'll go and check for Bank Nifty. Okay, Finnifty is your homework. So Bank Nifty price action is here. When you check for open, 57,300. So before that we'll compare the OI, 118, 135. So support is pretty strong for Bank Nifty. Here you could see. Now open is 57,300. So we'll take 300 strike LTP to check the LTP comparison. Okay. Okay, so 300 charts are here, and then you could see how the price action has moved. So at the start 915, you could see 515 and 396. By the end 500 has went to 700, so that definitely shows that the long straddle have been the winners here. The short straddle people cannot stand during such volatile day, because all the important Q2 results are out. So yeah, sellers should be out of the market now. Okay, it's completely buyer's day, and that too the moments are very wild. Open for Nifty is 25,500. Okay, before that we'll compare the OI. OI is indicating sideways because 10k and 10k, sorry, 10 lakh and 10 lakh on both the sides. Now when you check for 550, so Nifty is approaching, right, in 2 days. Tomorrow it will be pre-expiry, and then Tuesday it will be having expiry. So definitely the price action will be more towards the sellers side. Okay, so here you could see, here also buyers had the more opportunity instead of selling. So put was pretty straightforward, while call was having a high positions. Okay, now that's it guys. I think I am unable to take more details from the trading tech website since the services are down. So yeah, let's stop here. Okay, thank you.